Now we are going to start the conducting system of human heart. For the conducting system of human heart, we are able to know about the conducting tissues of the heart. Which conducting tissues are present in the heart? At first, the human heart is myogenic. The human heart is myogenic. The wall of the heart is made up of cardiac muscle fiber. Therefore, the heart is capable of generating a cardiac contraction independently without input of nervous tissue. It also shows the autorhythmicity. It generates its own rhythm with the help of the specialized muscles. And these specialized muscles is known as the nodal tissues. It is known as the nodal tissue. And these nodal tissue are distributed in the heart. What happened here? It shows the autorhythmicity. The heart contract and relax automatically. It generates its own rhythm with the help of the specialized muscle fiber. And this specialized or the modified musculature is known as nodal tissue. And this nodal tissue is distributed in the heart. A part of the nodal tissue, that is the sino-auricular node, is present on the upper side of right auricle, near or at the base of opening of superior vena cava. Superior vena cava लागूनच सायनो-ऑरिक्युलर नोड हे राइट ऑरिकल मध्ये अप्पर साइड ला असते. And another mass of the nodal tissue are modified muscle fibers. हे modified झालेले muscle fibers आहेत. These are called as the autorhythmic fibers. हे जे muscle fibers आहे याला काय म्हणतात? Autorhythmic fibers. These are also known as the conducting tissue. And these conducting tissue control the beating of rate of heart. Heart contract and relax. And this heart beating is controlled by conducting tissue. And this conducting tissue or the nodal tissue consists of sino-auricular node. It consists of sino-auricular node. Secondly, it consists of auriculoventricular node. Thirdly, the bundle of His. It is also known as bundle of His-Stavara and Purkinje's fiber. And the Purkinje's fiber. Now, the conducting system of human heart. This conducting system of human heart consists of sino-auricular node, which is present on the upper side of the right auricle near the opening of superior vena cava. This sino-auricular node initiates the wave of contraction at first. This wave of contraction reaches on both the auricle and also to the auriculoventricular node. Now, from the auriculoventricular node arises a bundle of His. And this bundle of His runs through the interventricular septum, forming the two branches. One is the right branch and the second one is the left branch of the bundle. Now, these branches runs on either side of the ventricle. दोन्ही साइडला राइट वेंट्रिकल आणि लेफ्ट वेंट्रिकल. It divides into branches, and these branches enters in the myocardium of the ventricle, and these are known as Purkinje's fiber. Purkinje's fiber. Now, as the sino-auricular node spread the wave of contraction on the auricle contracts. It reaches up to the auricular ventricular node. Now, from this auricular ventricular node, it passes to the bundle of His. From the bundle of His, it spread on both the ventricle. The impulse reaches up to the Purkinje's fiber. As it reaches on the ventricle through the Purkinje's fiber, the ventricle contracts simultaneously. जसं ऑरिकल सायमल्टेनियसली इथं कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतात त्याचप्रमाणे वेंट्रिकल सुद्धा इथं सायमल्टेनियसली कॉन्ट्रॅक्ट होतात. So after that, the working of human heart. Now working mechanism of human heart. त्याच्यामध्ये कार्डियाक सायकल. आपल्याला माहिती आहे, in case of the human heart, the auricle and the ventricle contact alternately. दोन्ही auricle आणि ventricle alternately contact होत असतात आणि alternately relax होतात. The contraction and the relaxation takes place alternately in case of the human heart. The contraction phase is known as the systole. Contraction phase ला काय म्हणतात? Systole म्हणतात. And the relaxation phase is known as the diastole. A systole is followed by diastole, making the one beat. Making the one beat. म्हणजे consecutive systole and diastole constitute a one beat, and the series of that event constitute the cardiac cycle. Cardiac cycle. It is completed in the 0.8 second. Normally, it is completed in 0.8 second, and at that time, an average 72 beats are completed in 1 second. Sorry, in 1 minute. एका मिनिटामध्ये किती होतात मग? 72 बीट्स पूर्ण होत असतात. मग याच्यामध्ये वेगवेगळे इव्हेंट्स आहेत. ऑरिक्युलर सिस्टोल, ऑरिक्युलर डायस्टोल, वेंट्रिक्युलर सिस्टोल आणि वेंट्रिक्युलर डायस्टोल. तर आपण सुरुवातीला बघूया ॲट्रियल और auricular systole. That is the AS, auricular systole. आपल्याला माहिती आहे, the right auricle receives the deoxygenated blood with the help of superior and inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus. And the coronary sinus. And the left auricle receives the oxygenated blood through the pulmonary vein. As the right auricle and the left auricle filled with the blood, what happens? A pressure is exerted on the wall of the auricle. In response to that, the sinoauricular node excited and generates the wave of contraction on both the auricle. काय होतं माहिती का? जसं हे दोन्ही ऑरिकल पूर्ण होतात तसं प्रेशर एक्झर्ट होतं इथं आणि प्रेशर जसं निर्माण झालं तसंच या सायनोऑरिक्युलर नोड एक्साइट झाल्याबरोबर इट स्टार्ट the initial waves of contraction and transfer on the both the auricle. At that time, both the auricle contract simultaneously. The wall of the auricle contract simultaneously, and the blood enters or blood pump into the respective ventricle. The deoxygenated blood enters into the right ventricle, oxygenated blood enters into the left ventricle. The backflow of the blood is prevented by the wall of Eustachian and wall of Thebesian present in the opening of inferior vena cava and the coronary sinus. या ठिकाणी बॅकफ्लो हे प्रिव्हेंट होत असतात ड्यू टू द प्रेझेन्स ऑफ दॅट वॉल्स. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द सिस्टोल, the atria relax or the auricle relax or goes into the diastole. In normal condition मध्ये काय होतं माहिती का बघा इकडे the atrial systole is for 0.1 second and the auricular diastole is for 0.5 second. 7 seconds. Now ventricular systole. काय झालेलं आता ऑरिकल मधून रक्त वेंट्रिकल मध्ये आलेलं आहे. सायनी ऑरिक्युलर नोड्स एक्साइट झाल्यात, त्यांनी वेव्ह ऑफ कॉन्ट्रॅक्शन दोन्ही ऑरिकल मध्ये दिलं. At that time, the impulses which is started by the sinoauricular node reaches on the auricular ventricular node. Now, the auricular ventricular node send the wave of contraction or the impulses to the bundle of His. Now, it goes or it sends to the Purkinje's fiber. The wave of impulses, as the reaches to the Purkinje's fiber, the ventricle contracts. As the ventricle contracts, the blood from the right ventricle enters into the pulmonary trunk, and the blood from the left ventricle enters into the aorta. At that time, the tricuspid wall and bicuspid wall close and prevent the backflow of the blood. काय होतं, या दोन्ही झडपा बंद होतात आणि रक्त ऑरिकल मध्ये परत जात नाही. At that time, a sound is produced or a sound is heard in the form of love. In normal condition, ventricular systole is for 0.3 seconds and the ventricular diastole is for 0.5 seconds. During the ventricular diastole, when the ventricle relaxes, what happens? The semilunar wall close and prevent the backflow of the blood into the respective ventricle, and the sound is produced due to the closing of semilunar wall is dubbed. जेव्हा बायकस्पिड आणि ट्रायकस्पिड वॉल क्लोज होतात त्यावेळेस कोणतं साऊंड येतं? लब. आणि ज्यावेळेस सायनो आणि सेमिलुनार वॉल क्लोज होतात त्यावेळेस कोणता साऊंड प्रोड्यूस होतो? डब. The auricle and ventricle both relax and both go in the diastole condition, and it is completed in 0.4 seconds. When all the chamber of the heart in diastole, the condition is known as joint diastole or complete diastole. Joint होना किंवा complete diastole म्हणता येईल याला. Thus, the duration of one cardiac cycle is 0.8 seconds. हे जर लक्षात ठेवायचं असेल तर असं लक्षात ठेवायचं. इकडे एक सर्कल काढून घ्यायचं, सर्कल मध्ये हाफ मार्क करायचं, इथं 0.4 सेकंद लिहून घ्यायचं. याला म्हणायचं ऑरिक्युलो वेंट्रिक्युलर डायस्टोल. Now 0.1 second auricular systole, 0.3 second ventricular systole, and the complete cycle is about 0.8 second. Now the right side of the heart contains deoxygenated blood and the left side of the heart contains oxygenated blood. The total volume of the blood pumped during one ventricular systole is called stroke volume. Ventricle contract झाले की रक्त पुढे जातं पल्मोनरी ट्रंक मध्ये आणि एओर्टा मध्ये. पल्मोनरी ट्रंक आणि एओर्टा मध्ये. ड्यूरिंग वन ventricular systole, near about 70 ml of blood pump. किती पंप होता? 70 ml. Now This 70 ml of the blood is called a stroke volume. एका बीट मध्ये किती ब्लड जातं? 70 ml of blood is pumped per beat. एका बीट मध्ये 70 ml जातात. Now, how many beats are there in 1 minute? 72 beats per minute. The heart contracts and relax 72 times per minute. Now we will calculate the cardiac output. याच्यावरून आपल्याला कॅल्क्युलेट करता येईल की एका मिनिटामध्ये किती रक्त या हृदयामधून पास होतो. The cardiac output is equal to stroke volume multiplied by the heart rate. The CO is equal to SV multiplied by HR. SV किती आहे? 70 ml. HR किती आहे? 72 beats. मग टोटल किती झालंय? 5040 ml per minute. That is approximately 5 liter of blood pumped through the heart per minute. एका मिनिटामध्ये 5 लिटर जवळजवळ रक्त पंप होत असतं हृदयामध्ये. आलं याच्यामध्ये? The diagrammatic representation of the cardiac cycle is shown in this chart. This is the map or the graph. Here it is the time in second. 0.1 to 10 seconds. Please see here. This is the auricular systole. In 0.1 second. Auricular diastole. 0.7 second. Ventricular systole. 0.3 second. And ventricular diastole. 0.5 second. And giant diastole is 0.4 second. And the complete cardiac cycle is in 0.8 second. किती लागतात पूर्ण सायकल व्हायला? 0.8 सेकंद लागतात. हा चार्ट लक्षात ठेवायचा. डायग्राम ठीक आहे? ओके.